Uh-oh.
It's always me.
Uh-oh.
So what happened?
Okay, so we had two ladies come in around 6:45, 6:50-ish.
6:45. I got 6:10. 7:55.
Oh.
They came in. One lady had a bun and then bangs, and she was in jeans and then like a crop top and like a tan hoodie, and she had a purse with her, a big empty purse.
What color was the purse?
It was like multicolored. It was mostly white. It was like a Tommy Bahama tropical.
Yeah.
The other lady was wearing black biker shorts. She had long braided hair. They were both African American, and she had on a brown shirt. She came to the register with a Carter's bag filled, and she was like, "Yeah, I just need to do an exchange for my twin boys." I was like, "Yeah, of course. Like, leave your bag there, shop around." The other girl headed straight to like where it says "baby girl" on the ceiling, where we couldn't see her. And it wasn't weird. Like, they were just looking until I seen her look up, stare directly at my associate, and then stare at me, and then look back down, and then come around. And then she and that girl with the big purse, the big empty purse, left. And she was like, "Oh, I forgot my phone in my car. Like, I have to go get it." So she left, and the other girl was just looking around, talking about, "Oh, I want matching outfits." Like, we were just chatting. Then the other girl came back, and then headed to the back over here. At this point, she grabbed a basket.
Real quick, okay, I don't want to. Do you want to press charges? Okay, perfect.
Okay.
If we can.
Gotcha.
Grabbed a basket, put a bunch of stuff in it, left it there, went over to the big kid side back here, and Amber grabbed the basket, put it behind the register because she just left it there.
Okay.
The other lady with the braids was leaning on the register, and at some point switched out whatever was in the basket behind the register with this random stuff that they didn't take.
Gotcha.
And then this girl's over here. I called you guys as she was rounding the corner, and her breasts were suddenly huge because she stuffed all the product down her shirt and into her purse. And then she comes around the corner, and I see the lady with the braids back behind this rounder all of a sudden whip out one of our bags, open it up, they shove all the stuff in there, and then she leaves with that big bag, and then the second girl finishes whatever she's doing into her purse and then leaves right after her.
Okay.
Around
About how much did you think they took?
probably like $1,000.
$1,000?
Wow.
They took
You
a
could write
lot.
an itemized receipt.
I don't even know what they took.
Hello.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm Officer Morales, okay? Basically, want to talk to you about something. You matched the description of a female that we're looking for right now. Why you out of breath? What's going on?
Oh no, I was on the phone. I just got wet.
Okay.
You saw match what?
You matched the description of a female we're looking for. You mind if I get your ID?
Yeah. I matched the description.
Yeah.
Go on Carter's at all? Did we do what? Did you go to Carter's? I had bought something from there. So you brought something from there? What did you get? I got my receipt and everything. Okay. All right. We'll just get your ID and then we'll confirm if it's you or not. All right? All right, so she do got a Carter's bag, so she's brought stuff out of there. I got my receipts and everything. So just ask them. Let me go and tell them. So what?
Oh, she got a Carter's bag?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna figure it out.
I'm gonna teletype.
Ma'am, can you just step up car for me, please?
You're not under arrest. All right, you're just detained right now. All right. Well, I ain't doing nothing, so I know I ain't under arrest.
Put your phone over there.
Okay. All right.
For right now, you're just gonna be detained, okay? So I have to place you in cuffs. Okay?
I'm being detained though. You're not under arrest. Like we said, you matched description with somebody that stole items from Carter's. Okay, you have a Carter's bag. And once they come over here, when they say it is or not you, then we'll talk to you further on that, right? But it's still not all my stuff right there. That's why I said, like, once they confirm it is or not you, if it's not you, then we'll let you go. But it is you, then we'll have a talk about that, right?
Okay. just going to read you something too, okay? Because you are entitled to your rights. You're not under arrest. You're just detained, but I have to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney. I have a power with you now anytime you have a question. If you cannot afford an attorney, won't be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking, I have an attorney present. All questions will be stopped at the request. You understand your rights?
Yes.
With these rights of mine, you want to talk to me or any one of my partners that come on scene and ask you questions.
Okay.
Yes?
I want to talk to him hit me in Carter's because I'm trying to figure out what I supposedly took.
Well, we're trying to figure out too. Apparently, we just got a call about two females matching the description you're wearing. My partner saw you go inside the vehicle, and that's pretty much it. Someone just stealing from Carter's. You have a Carter's
my stuff
bag.
right there.
Okay, but you have a Carter's bag, okay, and we have to make sure that everything's accounted for in that bag.
Okay.
Okay, but that's what we're here for. It's kind of a little suspicious that you're not even in the driver's seat. You're in the passenger seat. So where's the front?
Where's who?
Where's the driver?
My sister? Yeah, I'm waiting on her. She in one of these stores. I don't know what she going to H, you know? I don't know. I have to call her.
Nope, it's on the east side.
You want me to put your phone in your pocket so I don't get wet up? Yeah, mess.
It's going to be at Ridgewood in Orange. There's no injuries.
How long is it going to take her to get over here? Who you waiting on?
And they're saying there is roadblocks.
I'm waiting on my partner to see.
Basically, go bring somebody over here, right? Say whether it is you or whether it's not you. Like I told you, if it's not you, then we let you go. If it is you, then we'll have a conversation, see what they want to do, right? Okay.
Is that her?
46, they're both negative valid.
Yeah.
Yes?
I got it.
Okay. We're gonna walk up behind the truck here real quick. Positive ID. 44. Alright, just stand right here real quick. Yeah, what'd you say?
Her sister's walking somewhere. She doesn't know where her sister's
She was out here with her baby daddy. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if she left with him. I'll have to call her.
Gotcha. Is this your car?
No.
Where's the car you came in?
This is the car I came in, but it's not my car.
Okay. Where's your
And
sister
all my
at?
stuff right there that I got, all my stuff is right there with my receipt.
Gotcha.
So why is she saying?
Where's your sister at?
I don't know. She might have went with her baby daddy. She was out here with him.
You want to call her?
Y'all gonna take the car?
Yeah. You want to call her?
Yeah, I'll call her.
Okay. Let's call her.
I'm not taking off the cuffs.
You want me to call her with the cuffs on?
You just had your phone in your hand with the cuffs on.
I know, but it's so comfortable.
You're just being detained for right now.
Probably takes me until I'm out of town.
Okay. Well. Yeah.
Did you leave with Burger or are you still here?
Okay, perfect. We'll do a warrant for her and then you're going to be taking a ride too. You can hang up the phone now.
Taking a ride for what? I didn't steal
For
anything.
shoplifting.
I have my stuff right here. I didn't steal anything.
Did we recover the items?
Those are the items that apparently she paid for. And apparently she was in the store looking at the other lady. There was two girls.
Yeah.
And they were one was putting items into stuffing her items. The other one left the store and they dropped some items and took more items. It's here we can talk to her.
Yeah, I was fine.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't. No, I don't know if they.
You're saying you paid for these?
Yes.
Is there a receipt in here for
Yes.
these? Okay.
You guys ready yet or no?
Yeah.
She want to talk?
Yeah, she talked. She said basically, she went in there to buy some stuff. She didn't steal nothing. All that stuff that's on the receipt is stuff that's in the bag. And that's about it.
Okay. So one did buy something from
No,
her.
she didn't.
What is she the receipt?
She came in with the bag claiming she had a return to do, and she wasn't the one that brought the bag in. It was the other
It
girl.
was the other girl
Yes.
that brought the bag with the receipt?
Yes.
That didn't have it today?
Yes.
Yeah, what date is that?
When I went in
She held my stuff at the counter.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
She held my stuff at the counter. So what did I think when you held my stuff at the counter? It's the same bag I had.
What car is y'all's?
That's the same. That's not my car.
It's a car that she's
No.
chilling in. She was just chilling in it.
Okay.
It's her car. Doesn't make any sense. Hey, one more time. So, this girl was the one that brought it up to the counter?
No.
Or is this the girl that was stuffing the stuff?
This is the girl that was stuffing the stuff. This
Okay.
is the girl that. So the one lady came in, brought it to the counter. She went behind and already took some baby girl items, left the store, and came back again.
Okay. Perfect.
Last visit you got cut off. Disregard of 48. Copy. Charlie 12.
So, this is the
Go
girl
ahead
that
and take
put
it.
it.
I ain't got my car.
Which happened to be on call.
I know I'm going to beat it because I didn't steal nothing out of it. So
It's all good because Wallace is going to come over and tow it, and
Yeah.
just have to do the inventory prior to
Perfect.
tell her. Do what you got to do.
Perfect.
Oh, you want to just
Since she
circle real
said she sold me something, she lying. She didn't see me steal nothing. Let me see my phone.
quick? No, it's okay.
No, hang it up because it's calling somebody. I didn't try to call nobody. You can hang it up. It's calling somebody. Could you hang it up? I don't know who's on the phone. I don't know who's on my phone.
Yeah, she's going to show it to us real quick. If one of them can transfer it, we could figure it get her done. Yeah,
What
yeah.
happened with this bag?
They were coming to do a
They
exchange.
claimed that they were doing an exchange, and that lady is not the lady that brought that bag in. That was the lady she was with.
And this is a lady that was stuffing the items in her shirt.
Yes.
This lady was.
Yes.
Yeah. And so what they're doing is they have a receipt from
Yes.
Sanford, and then they likely selected these items from your store is what you're thinking, trying to get?
So they got different items. She claimed that she had to do an exchange because she had twin baby boys that were a year old.
Yeah, but look at this. Card declined, canceled, card declined, canceled. So they're using stolen credit cards. Look at all these different cards that are declined.
Perfect.
Canceled, canceled, canceled. Declined. Declined.
We'll see if it's on her property now. And on
Declined.
video, it's going to show her stuff and all the stuff in her.
This is a no sale. Every single transaction on here is declined.
Hey, do you want to go see the video or you want me to watch it on my Axon?
I'll go in there real quick.
Alright.
He can just, does he have her in the phone?
Yeah, they're in transporter.
Yeah.
Get her out there.
All those transactions are declined transactions.
Perfect.
Can you come speak with me real quick, Miss Thomas?
What is it? I got one.
Yes, thank
Okay.
you.
Well, that's fine. You say yeah?
Yes, we have an affidavit at the book for your arrest. That's why I was asking for your ID to try and
Okay,
verify
but
who you
so
are.
so you saying it's a book for my arrest?
An affidavit, it's kind of like a warrant, so we have charges on you, okay?
Okay, but is it gonna when you take me to the jail? Is it gonna? When you take me to the jail, it's gonna show.
What do you mean? Show what?
Like you saying that I have a warrant, right? You said I have.
So it's an affidavit, which is basically a charging document that one of our officers has written up with charges for you. Basically, that's like the 707. We would take out the arrest paperwork, essentially, just without you. So basically, it's like a warrant, but it's not quite a warrant, if that makes sense. Like we have the arrest paperwork, we just didn't have you in custody.
How you doing?
Because the warrant is when the judge signs it.
Okay.
It hasn't gotten to that point yet.
So how I'm not finna sit. I don't want to sit in jail to no judge sign no.
No, we have no, you don't have to wait. That's why we have the arrest paperwork. The paperwork's done, so now we're going to take you into custody and ship you with that paperwork.
Okay, well let me just. So I'm getting my property. It's gonna go with me. The property.
I can see what we can work out in that sense.
Okay.
I just got to talk to them once we're done, okay?
Okay, I already knew that point because I already went to the jailhouse and they said, but should I move my truck from the front?
Where is it right now?
I parked right here, but I already knew about the jail part. So, because I just left the jailhouse and they told me to come here, y'all just couldn't verify and I would be able to verify. So, should I move from the front into the back, like, or from the right in the front to the side? I'm not
No,
going
you're
nowhere.
good where you're at. I can ask our supervisor.
Because I don't want my
and
car
see-
to be towed.
Okay, I can see what we can work out in that sense. Is it locked up and everything right now?
Yes, it's definitely locked.
Okay.
Let me make sure. I just okay.
Okay. We're just gonna step through these doors here,
Okay,
and then
fine.
once we step through the doors, I'll go ahead and place you in handcuffs, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I had this up the jail, so I already knew what time it was. I just was waiting. They didn't see anything there. So how long is it gonna take for you to transfer you?
It depends on how busy they are, but your paperwork's done. Okay?
Let's go.
If you wouldn't mind just putting your phone on the counter here.
I'll just put my paperwork.
Yep, and just go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Have you ever been arrested before?
Venus. Oh yeah, so they doing it here. So just pick the baby up at 5. So you can be over to the Venus.
This is Volusia Mall. We have
Yeah.
someone who passed out in the center mall.
Huh?
Volusia Mall.
Yeah. No, I got them in my pocket because I'm just gonna once I get out on the drive.
Over here in the center court, they get someone to call 911. But I'll just give you a heads up.
Hey, oh,
You want it?
no, yep. Just leave it up there for me. Just stay right there for me. Rachel, or does anybody have access to Elvis or David since she doesn't have her ID on her? It's 3 Bravo 30 Central. Can you show me with the adult female 1012, please? Reference and affidavit. What's the last 4 of your social?